Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Essential Arbor Hot Tub. The Arbor Spa gives you luxury in a durable unit with a low-maintenance, impact-resistant exterior. All 20 stainless steel jets are powered by a 2-peak HB, 2-speed energy-efficient pump that allows you to have a quiet, relaxing evening or choose a more robust setting and melt away the day's aches with the Arbor's high-speed hydrotherapy. This rotationally molded spa is made from quality-colored granite resin that features a fully insulated interior, allowing your spa to retain optimum heat from your Balboa all-season stainless steel heater all year long. Product benefits: contour-style seating for 6. Relax in minutes by plugging into any standard 120-volt outlet, ground fault circuit interrupter cord included. Heavy-duty, insulated tapered cover with locking clips included. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.